Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Edge. We've detected a problem with your cookie settings. Open Edge browser. Click three dots, click Settings. Click Privacy Search and Services. Click Choose what to clear under Clear Browsing Data. Select All Time, uncheck Browsing History, also uncheck Download History. Check Cookies and other site data, also check Cached images and files. Click Clear Now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.